Your home deserves the best, and at Bluff City Exteriors, we deliver just that. Punctuality isn't a courtesy, it's our standard. Excellence isn't an aim, it's our mantra. And finishing the job isn't an option, it's a guarantee. Why choose us? We're among the top 25 James Hardie siding installers in the nation, and our commitment resonates in every detail. From the initial consultation to the final walkthrough, we ensure perfection. No cutting corners, no settling for good enough. Are you tired of unreliable contractors? Choose Bluff City Exteriors and discover a partnership that honors its word and values your time. Let's build something extraordinary together, something that reflects your style and our unparalleled craftsmanship. Contact us today. With Bluff City Exteriors, you're not just investing in a project, you're investing in a promise. A promise to be there on time, to do things right, and to finish strong. Because we believe in actions, not just words.